Quality control. Note: all dishwashers are factory tested to ensure proper operation. As a result, it is normal for small amounts of residual water to be found in the unit. Compact design. This convenient dishwasher can fit a variety of dishes, up to 12 inches in diameter at an angle, and is ideal for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats and campers, RVs. Depth. Door shut, with handle, -17.3 inch, depth, door shut, without handle, -16 inch, depth with door open 90 degrees 35 inch, dishwasher size 24 inch. No hookups needed. If you want the advantage of portability and storage, this dishwasher gives you the choice to fill the built-in tank so you don't need a water hookup. Water hose is included for a direct water hookup to kitchen faucet, adapter not included. 5 washing programs. You'll get full-size dishwasher cleaning in a countertop-sized compact unit that offers 5 wash programs: normal, rapid, fruit wash, baby care and glass. Lower and upper spray arms give dishes that streak-free deep cleaning. Steam. Steam generated during the baby care cleaning cycle can be used to sanitize baby bottles and give glassware a sparkling clean finish. Rapid wash. The rapid cycle lets you get items clean in only 40 minutes, and when you are done, the automatic air circulation helps to dry dishes. Fruit wash. Fruit basket is included so fruit and vegetables can be cleaned, ready to serve directly from the dishwasher. Can fit up to 12 on dishes and has 5-liter built-in water tank. Top reviews from the United States. I love my dishwasher. Everything's still working as it's supposed to, but my dish rack is now rusting and falling apart. I never did anything to it, never bent it, never cut into the plastic wrap around it. Nothing. But it's rusting and falling apart. I need a new one and I hope I can get one, otherwise I have a large paperweight on my hands.